If you have issues with your Bluetooth device on Google Pixel 10a, here's what you can do to try to solve your issues. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings. Over here we're gonna tap on connected devices, and let's go to connection preferences to find the Bluetooth option. And over here we can turn it off and turn it back on, and then we should be able to try to reconnect. You can also turn off Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth device as well. Re-enable Bluetooth, and then let's go back to the main page of connected devices and turn your Bluetooth device back on, and hopefully then your Bluetooth device will be reconnected if you had it, of course, paired before. Now, if you still have some issues with connecting, you can just simply forget the device completely from your phone. We're gonna turn off our Bluetooth device again and turn it back on, and then we can tap on pair new device in here and put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode, if it has, of course, the pairing mode, because some Bluetooth devices do not have it. So if you have the pairing mode, just use it to make sure that your Bluetooth device can be found on this list of available devices, and then we can select it, and then of course confirm that you want to pair it. Now, on the other hand, if your Bluetooth device does not have the pairing button, you want to make sure that it is not connected to any other device. And in case it is and you cannot disconnect it for some reason, if you have some trouble with that, or if the pairing button doesn't work as well for some reason, then what you can do is you can factory reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to hard reset your Bluetooth device, because every Bluetooth device has its own way that allows you to factory reset the device. So you have to look for a manual or some guide how to do that. But once you do so, you should be able to try again to pair your Bluetooth device. Also, you can simply restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart solves some of the issues, so you can try that out as well. And I believe if we go to the system settings and in here we tap on the reset options, then we can find reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So you want to use that option as well. And of course, you cannot separate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth reset. So if you reset these settings, it resets for both of these options. So you will have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks as well. You have to keep that in mind. And of course, Bluetooth devices will be erased as well. So you want to tap on the reset option, then go back to the Bluetooth settings and try one more time to pair your Bluetooth device with your Google Pixel 10a, and hopefully this time it will work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.